Bengaluru Police have arrested 17 individuals in a series of coordinated raids conducted across different parts of the city following the seizure of narcotic substances and banned items worth 25.23 crore rupees. The arrested individuals includes 3 foreign nationals and 8 individuals from other states. The operations were carried out in several locations including Subramanyanagar, Madiwala, Rajajinagar, Whitefield, Tilaknagar, Yeshwanthpur and Indiranagar. According to police officials, the accused were allegedly involved in sourcing narcotic substances at low prices from suppliers based abroad, other states and within Karnataka. These drugs were then reportedly sold at higher prices in Bengaluru to generate illegal profits. Investigators also stated that the network targeted college students as part of its distribution strategy. The accused have further admitted to manufacturing banned tobacco products. The seized illegal goods include 10 kg to 306 grams of MDMA, 127 kg to 302 grams of Ganja and 3 kg to 314 grams of Hydro Ganja. Police also recovered 300 e-cigarettes, 90 hookah flavor packs, 30 hookah sets comprising pots, stands and bowls along with foreign cigarette packs and other tobacco products allegedly manufactured in violation of the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Prohibition of Advertisement and Regulation of Trade and Commerce, Production, Supply and Distribution Act. Additionally, 7 mobile phones, 1 car and 6 two-wheelers were seized during the raids as part of the ongoing investigation. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.